Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Duolingo. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that, you click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Duolingo. If you will find here update in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.